Been a while, no. Well, today I'll be talking or showing you the tool you need to have in your trading arsenal. It's quite simple, and it's a tool that no trader can do without, which is, you guess, price action. There is no trader in forex market that does not use price action strategy or tool to trade. Okay, because price action is the foundation of all trading. Okay, so when you understand the concept of price action, you understand everything that goes on in the market. Okay, what is price action? Price action are those, should I say, are those behaviors that the market tend to show forth either in the past or the present or in the future, that are being analyzed using a candlestick, and those are the basic things you need to know, the candlestick price action patterns. Okay, and when you have this, it clearly shows you what you have to do in the market, and it's kind of simple if you actually have this knowledge I'm about to show you. So you have to stick to the end in this YouTube channel and this video to actually know what I'm trying to say. Okay, right now I'm trading, currently looking at the US card. So US dollars card. So this is a plain chart. You can see it's a 4 hour chart here. So let me take it to a daily time frame. So you see, this is price action, this is price action. So from a previous market that's shown, it has been in a downward movement, and it's pretty much did some funny things, and you see, at this point, before before a breakout, before a breakout, before the breakout, you see it's the price of this particular currency pairs have been in a ranging market, which is currently also a downward market, but in a ranging market. So we'll be using that as an edge because this is price action strategy right here. So when we zoom in, you can see what happened in the box. Okay, this is price action right here. Okay, so let me use a brush to show you how the market formed. Let me use blue. Okay, so you see, from this point here, you see the market went up, touched a support, a resistance zone, came down, went up, came down, went up, and these are all impulse moves, you can see, but it did not break this resistance zone, this resistance zone right here. It did not break it. So you take note on that, because it's actually one of the best things you need to know in forex: price action, how to trade price action. Also, when you're looking at price action, you have to know where the market is currently at, so you will know what to do with it at that particular moment. You see, as it came here, it reversed downward. Here it came up as an impulse move. It retraced downward and it went up again as an impulse move. So that's price action. But when it came to this point here, where it began gathering momentum, you can see it broke out of this ranging market, which is also a downtrend for now. It broke out and it started a new trend, which is an upward trend. At this point here, this was the breakout, and it just went up, which made it become an upward trend. With this, it's going to have a higher highs and more. So what my analysis will be, it will be, as at this point, it will form probably a W pattern, which is really nice, and then it's up all the way. That's just it. That's price action, baby. Okay, that's price action. You can use this on so many pairs, and it's more reliable. That's if you understand it. And I'm using a concept of, should I call it a trend line also, to know how to predict my markets very easily. Okay, so you see, using a trend line, I just placed I just placed this on my trend on the trend line, and is what happened. You see? Sorry about that. You see, I placed a trend line and it clearly showed me the breakout. It was so massive that it's so clear to see, very easy to see, and that's the best thing about trend line and price action trading. Okay, price action has to do with all these candles. Forget what I've been saying, but price action has to do with this candle and the buying and the selling of this market, how the market reacts to it. Okay, so you can see at this point here, there was at this point there was somehow a decline in price, because when it got to a resistance zone, which was this area where I placed this area where I placed a box, then and it touched it, that became a resistance zone for it. Okay, at that area you can see at this point here it was gradually climbing up before it started making a smaller candles. You see, there's a smaller candle, there's even a smaller candle which is the hanging man, there's a smaller candle, and there's a weak candle that is sticking out, there's a rejection candle, and there's a hanging man also. So now here what you see is a red candle, and that's a change in direction of the market, is also uh, which is also a bearish move and a confirmation that a trend has changed from its original state. So it's going to go downward, and look at it. The move was nice. The move was just nice, just solid. Okay, so that's price action. You don't need too much analysis with it, but just understand what you're looking for. And I have a bonus move for you, a bonus stuff for you, and it's called moving average. Okay, personally I recommend you to use 200 moving average in your overall analysis. So this is moving average. I've set it on 200 mirror moving. So you see, when it loads up, you see how it intersects in the chart and how it shows a fine black line that helps with your overall analysis. Okay, let me tell you one thing. This moving average serves as support and resistance. When price is actually when price breaks above when price breaks below, this is price right now, see how it's playing, and when price broke this 200 moving average, when price broke this 200 moving average, and price broke this 200 moving average, and price broke it, and price broke this 200 moving average, you see it became a nice sell, setup. See, it has broken the support level, which is this 200 moving average. It has broken Price has broken the 200 moving average, which starts at the support, and that's clear to see. And when price comes again, it broke the 200 moving average above it, and a retest was made, and you see it just keeps making a higher high, and that's just it. So using price action combined with the 200 moving average will give you an edge in the market. Okay, so I also have uh, an indicator for you. You just have to go to my YouTube channel and find a video on my playlist, how to use Ichimoku, and I've been building on that video for some time now, so just check it. Thank you very much for staying tuned, and I hope you find value in this little video I have to make. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment also for whatever topic you want me to cover. Thank you very much, and stay blessed.